What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at some RGB backyard lights that you can use for games such as the World Cup. If you love FIFA, this is going to be a great addition for you to add to your backyard or any party. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. All right, so once you get this open, you get a few things. You have your user manual. Of course, this tells you all about the lights, how to get it installed, and then the different modes that you can use whenever you're setting your lighting modes. And then also you can control this by app. So there's instructions how to download the app in here so you can get that set up. You also have your remote. So if you don't want to use the app, this is quick access to the different lighting modes to the lights. So you can use that. And then they give you some zip ties in here. This way you can get your lights hung up the way that you would want it. So these are going to be the lights right here. You can see this is going to be a nice set of lights. These balls on here are going to be about 2.4 inches in diameter. So you can see that this is a good size bulb, and this is going to be a 50-foot string of lights. And these lights are weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about, hurrying and trying to take these down if it starts to rain. It's okay to leave these out. It's okay if water gets on it. It's okay if to leave it out in the sun. It shouldn't, color or melt or anything like that. So these are weatherproof, so you can put these up and almost have, perfect permanent lighting for your backyard or venue. And also on the other end, it has these quick connects for your power. So this actually screws on here. This actually allows it to be weatherproof. And this is going to be good because you have 15 feet of lead wire. So this way you can properly install your lights and don't have to worry about really getting too close to your power source because you have 15 feet of extra cable here. So here's a close-up of the bulb so you can get a better idea. You can see the quality of the string light. You have this hook right here at the bottom. If you have your own hooks, you'll be able to use this, or you can use the zip ties like I mentioned. Now this bulb is plastic, it's very durable. You can see this nice shine on here. So it's not a dull looking light. And if you want to see the LED, you just unscrew this and then you have your LEDs here. This is what's going to provide that light pattern with all of those colors. So this is a really good quality LED in here. And let's put that back on. This is going to be the last light. And you can see that they even provide you with room to add on to this. So this is a really cool design here. Now, these lights feature over 16 million colors. So this is going to give you that nice transition of, gradients. If you have it on a setting that allows the color to fade or to strobe, you have over 200 different color variations that you can cycle through and program. You can do custom settings. They have preset modes here. So if you have a favorite team, you can put in your favorite team colors, or if you have just a holiday, whether it's Christmas or if it's Halloween, those are actually some of the programs that's already in here. Or you can go with some solid colors. So you have your solid RGBs, your yellows, looks like a pink violet, or if you want each ball to be a different color, you have an option for that as well. Now this also has a mode to where if you want it to vibe with your party, you can have it go along with the music, so it'll react to different beats that it hears. You can have that type of option. So this is going to be a really cool lighting setup, whether you're going to be watching the big game or if you're just a regular season game and you love watching your sport. FIFA, in America we call it soccer. Football is the term that you use abroad. So guys, once again, this is going to be the 50-foot string of soccer lights for your outdoor or backyard or venue. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.